My name is Blaec Bejarano, and today I'm going to show you how to run Python files via a Linux terminal in the CoCalc platform. You can see I'm at CoCalc.com. I'm going to head over to my projects. And here I can select the project that I'd like to work inside of or create a new one. I'll click my first project. And this is a shared file system. If you have a collaborator that you'd like to work with, you can head over to the user panel and add their email address. Then they'll be listed and have access to the shared workspace with you. But what I would like to do right now is run this Python file, eigenvalues and eigenvectors. So let's take a quick peek at that. So here I used NumPy to define a matrix A, so I used the NumPy array, and then I found the eigenvalues and eigenvectors using this function here, and I printed the values below. So we're going to run this via the terminal, so we'll head over to the File Explorer, and now I'm going to create a .term file by clicking on the plus new button located on the left-hand side. I'll name this eigenterminal. All right, and then I'll click Linux Terminal. And here I have my .term file, and I can use ls to look at my file system. And then finally, I'll write Python 3, and I'll use the file name. So I'll copy and paste that, and click return. And there we go. There are my eigenvalues and eigenvectors. So that is just a quick tip and trick on using the CoCalc UI. Please like, subscribe, and follow for more, and I will see you next time. Thanks again.